Where's the dinosaur? Yay! Yay, dinosaur! You're tired? You don't want to do it anymore? Huh? Can all the kitties in the club say meow?
I don't know if this is all cats, but let me know. So, Richard looks like a normal, size cat. But then, when I shake him out, and he loosens up a little bit, look how long he is. He's like a foot long. Look how long he is!
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Oh, don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Master Pool and Spa's huge warehouse sale. Save up to 33 to 66% from Minnesota's largest spa dealer. Master Pool and Spa's.
Oh no, let go. Oh no.
Well, I'm looking to adopt a cat today. This one looks really nice. Oh, whoa!
So I'm gonna have our kittens pick what color collar they want. So this is pumpkin. Oh, purple? Purple! This is pilgrim. Blue! This is May. Which one? Yellow? I think it's yellow. This is Lincoln. Green. No, orange? Green. He can't pick. Okay, green. This is Plymouth. He doesn't have a choice, but he has orange.
Dear Diary, my food dish is now only half full. It is obvious that I will soon starve to death. I have repeatedly tried to draw attention to my predicament with the authorities, but they are clearly either stupid, deaf, or just cruel.
Hey, Siri. How do you say get down from the counter in Japanese?
カウンターから降りる。
よし、カウンターから降りる。カウンターから降りる。
We're gonna see if he knows the way home. He's gone.
You want to go to the first door?
Does he know the way home? Oh, he made it. Usually he goes there. Oh, where are you going, dude?
Wrong one? Come on.
Do you have a little kitty? Is he very, very pretty? Does he scratch up all his toys? Does he make a lot of noise? Is he very, very fluffy like your very favorite stuffy? Do you have a little kitty?
You want to eat? No, it's not time. You just ate.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Do it again. Front flip. Guys, dude? What the? Dude, you're stuck. Dude, stop doing that.
Yo, this is the funniest clip I think I've ever seen. Look at this guy.
I wrote her in today because
I'm telling you, she's a better.